Want smoother gameplay and reduced eye strain? Changing your monitor's refresh rate can make a huge difference. I'll show you the fastest way to do this in Windows 10. No software needed. First, open the Start menu and type Settings, then press Enter. Click on System, then select Display from the left sidebar. Now scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings. This is where the magic happens. Click Display Adapter Properties, then go to the Monitor tab. Here you'll see the Screen Refresh Rate dropdown. Click it to see your available options. Warning: only select refresh rates your monitor actually supports. Choosing the wrong one could cause display issues. Check your monitor's manual if unsure. That's it. Enjoy your smoother display. If this helped, smash that like button. For more Windows optimization tips, subscribe and hit the bell. Got questions? Drop a comment below.